The RAF has had a mindset change in the past sort of few years. For deploying to Leeming, we are practicing what we call agile combat employment. So we're working alongside our coalition partners, our friends from France and from the USA, deployed here at Leeming to practice being agile, practice working out of an environment that we're not used to. We're currently going through Exercise Atlantic Trident 23, flying with the French Air Force, the French Navy and the USA.
The deployment is different because it's an ACE, Agile Combat Employment. So we had to deploy here on a very short notice without any preparation before. So nothing was planned to know how we're going to get here, where we're going to be stationed, where all our logistics will be. So it's pretty different, really agile. But this is now the new way of doing it in order to face the peer threat that we are having at the moment.
We don't have to look far to the east to see what Russia's doing in Eastern Europe. And obviously we could be subjected to that type of threat. We have to get ready for worst case scenario, which might be the UK being under threat and us having to fight from home. And part of that agility to fight from home includes being able to move around, includes being able to take your capability from your home base and move somewhere else because this base is either being denied or it's coming under threat. Coming to a base like this and have all this activity, particularly having been involved with the planning of it over the last year, you know, myself, my US counterpart, my French counterpart, about a year ago we started having discussions about running this exercise. And then we had some doubts, could we do it? Could we pull it together? Would all the effort be worth it? Would we get the learning out of it that we wanted? And frankly, as I said earlier, it's completely surpassed all of the expectations.